Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix format factory FFImage.dll missing error. So guys, to fix and resolve this problem, search this word, open any web browser, type here. Now open this official link dll-files.com. Now here download this zip file. Now extract this zip file. And copy this DLL file. Open C drive. So this PC and C drive. And here open this Windows folder. Now in this list, open this System32 folder. Now paste that file here. If it will ask permission, so click on continue. Now close and restart your system. So hopefully guys, using this simple method you can fix and resolve FFImage.dll missing error. Thanks for watching, and if you have any query or error, so comment, I will try to reply it.